From the title itself, you might have guessed it right. Yes, there's going to be a drag race in today's episode of Fortune Reviews. So let's have a look at the competitors. The first one is the Aprilia SR150 race powered by a 154.8cc engine, putting out 10.4 bhp and 11.4 Nm of torque. While on the other hand is the TVS Ntorq 125 powered by a 124.8cc engine, putting out 9.27 bhp and 10.5 Nm of torque. So the difference on the paper isn't much. Let's find out how both perform out on the road. Now on the final take, Aprilia won the drag due to a slightly more powerful engine. Thanks for watching. Until next time, drive safe.